Hi, I'm Sue Denning, Instructional Technologist here at Trinity College in Hartford, Connecticut. In this video, we will review logging into Trinity's WordPress site, accessing a class blog, and adding and editing posts. Let's get started. Open any web browser and go to commons.trincol.edu. In the login bar, enter your Trinity username and password. This is the same username and password that you use for other Trinity services, such as email and Moodle. Upon successful login, the WordPress toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. Position your cursor over the My Sites tab in the WordPress toolbar. You may have access to more than one site, so it's important that you select the site you want to be working in. The WordPress dashboard will have different options depending on the type of access you have to that blog. For a class site, you probably have contributor or author access to a site, but that is up to the instructor. All user types can add a new post. Click on the post link in the left-hand navigation sidebar. You'll be taken to a screen that shows all the posts in the WordPress site. An Add New link is now available in the left-hand navigation sidebar. In the Add New Post screen, enter a title for your post. There is a visual text editor where you can enter the content of the post, change formatting, and add media. Keep in mind, this is only a preview and doesn't guarantee your post will look exactly the same when it's published to the WordPress site. The best way to see what your published post will look like is to use the preview button. You should specify a category for your post. If the post is for a class site, your professor can tell you what category to use for your post. If you want your finished post to appear on the WordPress site immediately, use the Publish button. You might not have this option if you do not have permission to publish. In that case, the Publish button will say Submit for Review, and the WordPress site administrator will determine when your post is ready to be published. You can also use the Save Draft option and return to the post screen to edit and publish or submit your post at a later point in time. WordPress saves a version of your post in progress at regular intervals, so you can always go back to a previous version. If you want to edit a post that you've previously published or saved as a draft, return to the post screen and mouse over the post you want to edit. A contextual menu will appear with your editing options. There are a few shortcuts that let you add a new post in addition to the way I just described. In the WordPress toolbar, there is a New Post shortcut that appears in the flyout menu to the right of the site name. Also, once you've selected a WordPress site to work in from the My Site menu, a New Post shortcut will appear in the WordPress toolbar. Finally, an Add New flyout shortcut will appear when you mouse over the post link in the left-hand navigation sidebar in the WordPress dashboard. Hopefully that helps you get started. If you need more help with WordPress, contact the STA office or your class's instructional technologist.